Okay, this is why you should always wash your lentils. You can see there's little bits of dirt and debris that get all mixed into your lentils. So we always want to rinse our dry lentils or wash them and just pull out any little pieces of debris that we find in there. So first you want to start by giving them a really good rinse. And you want the water to run clear. You can kind of see that underneath in the sink. I'm just going to keep doing that. I just rinse them really well with cold water, and then you can just kind of file through. And if you find any little pieces of dirt or debris, sometimes you'll find a little piece of a twig, a stick, something in there. That can happen. Because look at how tiny they are. They're so small. They're just prone to getting dirt and little pieces of debris trapped on them. So you can just remove those, and you don't have to be too picky with this. Just file through, see if you find anything, give them a good rinse, and then you're ready to soak them or cook them just like that.